right, today we're going to bring you the SmartDevil fan, and this is a beautiful small petite fan that has only one cable that's feather in, and it's a USB type A. So that means you can plug this directly to your laptop, your computer, and like it's have a lamp here that has the actual plug. You could set it up. So if you're going to be working from your home or from an office and it gets a little stuffy, this is a perfect little fan that's going to help you out. Now, the movement on the fan, it's static, all right? So you manually have to move it, all right? So it's only going certain directions. This is pretty much how it goes. Twisting it, you can't twist it, all right? So it's only up and down. That's pretty much the lever you have. You can hang the fan overhead. So if you have somewhere that you don't have the space, but you could just maybe put a clip. And it's very light that you could set up anything to hold this fan, right? It's not very heavy at all. I would say a couple grams. That's how light it is, to be honest with you. The wood aesthetics looks beautiful. It's not real wood. It's all plastic base, all right? Power buttons in the back. And now all you got to do is plug it in. So let's plug it in. So all you got to do is plug it in the back, type 8, right? So let's go and plug it in. Plug it in. There you go. Super powerful fan. Perfect if you're going to put it underneath your feet. You don't have to worry about getting caught in the actual fan. Push a button. Different level. Stronger. Stronger. So there's 3 modes on it. And then off. So awesome modes. Number 1 is off. Number 1 to turn it on first. Number 2. And number 3. Awesome little fan. It's something to keep under your desk or in your top of your desk when you're working on your computer. Awesome device. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.